What's up, everybody? It's time to make some delicious grilled cheese sandwiches. Now, this is a very insightful tutorial. You should follow every step that you see here to an extreme, from everything to the amount of butter used, the amount of bread used, the type of bread used, the type of cheese I use, which is sharp cheddar, and the type of knife I use, which is the trusty old butter knife. Now, you do need to make sure that the butter doesn't burn. Gotta make sure it all melts in there. And then after it does, and you have it evenly spread, like so, it's time to apply our bread. Oh shoot, there's a fire back there as well. Okay, no worries. Here we go. First piece is down. Oh, I gotta fix that. That ain't good. Second piece is down. I'll just use this random fork that I found here. To fish it out. Yeah, get on. You as well. No. Oh no, this is a travesty. Okay. I clutched that. And that was a clutch right there. Next thing we gotta do is make sure that the bread is evenly spread. That's what they say. I'm spitting bars. I'm pretty much Eminem at this point. Totally won't burn the butter. Yeah, there we go. That's a nice little crispy, that's some nice crispiness right there. I'll let it sit like that for maybe 30 more seconds. Alright, I think we're ready to flip them around. So first one is flipped, that's nice and crispy. And now the second one. This is the tricky one. We want to try and keep as much cheese on it as possible. There we go. Now the cheese is just gonna melt right onto it. Alright, time to flip her around. Here we go, and boom, look at that. That is some wonderful cheese right there. Delicious. Yep. And the second one goes right on top, right there. Yep. And that's our grilled cheese sandwich. Wow, incredible. We've got to come up here and get this and put it on the plate. Wow. Never did I have any doubt we would get the best grilled cheese sandwich. And now, obviously, there's just one more. Oh, hold on. I forgot one of the more important steps. We've got to flavor it with our cilantro. Nothing would be complete without little cilantro leaves. There we go. Delectable. Now the final test, the most important one, the taste test. Here we go. Delectable. You know, maybe I shouldn't have used sharp cheddar cheese, but other than that, I don't have many complaints. The toast is crispy, the cilantro is very good, and the cheese is nice and melted. Other than that, I think this is a pretty good grilled cheese sandwich. And now we have to give the grilled cheese sandwich to the person I actually made it for. I didn't make it for myself. That's right. I made it for my lizard. Would you like a grilled cheese sandwich, Jaegerin? There you go. That's your breakfast.